I used to think I needed a camera, a microphone, and the production crew to build a channel that actually earns money. Then I discovered a free AI workflow that replaced every piece of equipment with a single photo of me. Today, I'm speaking to you from a digital twin that writes, speaks, and animates without me ever turning on a camera. In this video, I'll pull back the curtain on the exact steps I used so you can see the same process that helped me scale my channel without any tech expertise. Here's what we'll be creating today. This is my AI twin, built entirely with FreeTools.
I used to think I needed a camera, a microphone, and a production crew to build a channel that actually earns money. Then I discovered a free AI workflow that replaced every piece of equipment with a single photo of me.
Pretty cool, right? It talks, blinks, moves, and sounds super realistic. Now imagine the possibilities. Content creation, explainer videos, presentations, and you never have to appear on camera yourself again.
So guys, the first step we are going to take is we need an already animated sample with Zinni Studio. Now, you all know the Zinni Studio. When we head over to YouTube, as you can see, the Zinni Studio has 125,000 subscribers. She's actually the biggest YouTuber under this niche. Now, let's create our own animated AI character. So when we head back to the step-by-step guide, as you can see, we have the first step is we need an image of the Zinni Studio. Now, the second step is ChatGPT for prompt generation. So what we're going to do is to head over to my ChatGPT. As you can see, I have this prompt. You can copy this prompt right now or check the link in the description below to get access to this particular prompt. Now, when we click on this attach, what I'm going to do now is to bring a screenshot of the Zinni Studio image. When I scroll down, this is where I save the file. And guys, when I click it, as you can see, this is an image of the Zinni Studio AI. And the next thing we are going to do is to tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt that we will take to Leonardo.ai to generate the same prompt to give us exactly the same image with the Zinni Studio AI. You can copy this prompt or check the link in the description below to get access to it. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to click on this arrow sign. Now guys, as you can see, ChatGPT has given us a Leonardo.ai prompt. It says, a friendly, professional-looking black woman with natural curly hair and round glasses. Now guys, this is the prompt we need to generate this particular image.
The second step we have on our list is to generate the AI avatar photo. Now we are using Leonardo.ai this time. The next thing we're going to do is to minimize and head back to our Google Chrome browser. And the next thing we are going to do is to search Leonardo.ai. Now, when we are in this particular website, which is the Leonardo.ai website, we are going to click on Get Started. So guys, this is how the Leonardo website looks like. As you can see, we have 150 free credits. And guess what, guys? These particular credits, they are free. We get to have them every single day. That means that we can create as many images as we like. And the next thing we are going to do is to click on Create Image. Now guys, you can see we have Type a Prompt. Now it is in this particular box that we are going to paste the prompts we got from ChatGPT. And the next thing we are going to do is to head back to ChatGPT, copy this particular prompt, then head back to Leonardo.ai and paste the prompt here. And guys, as you can see, this is a prompt. The next thing we are going to do is to head back to this dimension and make sure that it's 16 by 9 because we want to use this image to generate YouTube videos. The next thing we are going to do is to click on Generate. As you can see, Leonardo.ai is generating our images. So guys, this is the first image, this is the second image, and this is a third image. Now I want to make something clear to you. As you can see, these images have different posture, position. Now I would advise you to take this one because one is that the two hands are visible. When we tap on this particular image, as you can see now, this woman is looking straight at the camera and two hands are visible. That means that we can animate this image and it won't have any lagging. So guys, this is the particular image we are using because it looks good and she is looking directly at the camera. But when we look at other images, you can see that other images are not really good because they're in different position. Now the next thing we are going to do is to save this particular image. To do that, we are going to click on Download Image. Now guys, the image has been downloaded on my laptop. Now we've generated our photo. The next thing we are going to do is to generate a 10 seconds animation video. What I mean is using VO3 to change it from a photo to a video. Now for us to do it, we're going to head over to Google and search Reflow, which will take us to VO3.
The next thing we're going to do is click on Create with Flow. Now this is a Flow website. As you can see, this is the first image to video I've generated on this account. Now guys, when we head over to my account information, as you can see, I'm using VO3 Pro version. As you can see, I have 360 credit. By this time tomorrow, I should be getting more extra 1000 credit to add to the one I have today. If you want to gain access to VO3 for free, that is the Pro version for free, you can check the video in the description below or click the link displayed on the screen right now to watch the video. Now guys, the next thing we're going to do is click on New Project. Once we've clicked on New Project, the next thing we're going to do is to go to Text to Video. Now guys, we're going to click on Frames to Video. When we click on Frames to Video, as you can see, we have this plus sign. Now we're going to click on it. Now the next thing we're going to do is to upload the image of our AI avatar. Now guys, this is the image. We're just going to make it to fit 16:9 ratio. The next thing we're going to do is to click on Crop and Save. Now guys, as you can see, the image is loading. Now guys, as you can see, we have the image beneath our text box. Now the next thing we're going to do is to head back to my Google Doc. Now guys, when we scroll down, you're going to copy and paste this particular prompt. Remember, I said that if you want to gain access to all these prompts I've mentioned, check it out in the description below. Join my WhatsApp and Telegram groups to get access to these prompts. Now we're going to click on copy and we head back to our website and click on paste. And the next thing we're going to do is to click on generate. Now guys, as you can see, our AI avatar image is now generating into a video form. The next thing we're going to do is just wait. Now guys, our image is now transformed into a video format. Now let's play it and see how it looks.
Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about.
Now guys, if you notice one thing with this video, you can see that it is very engaging and we have hands movement. As she is speaking, she's also moving her two hands, which is one of the targets we wanted. Now the next thing we're going to do is to click on this download button to download our video. Now I will advise you to download this on 18p, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be downloading this on 720p. It's now on my laptop.
So guys, after generating our video, the next thing is for us to generate an AI voice. Now for us to do that, we're going to head back into our Google and search Google Studio. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on this first link and automatically we are now in the Google AI Studio. Now this Google AI Studio, this is where we are going to generate an AI voice. Now we are going to click on Native Speech Generation. The next thing we're going to do is to click on Single Speaker Audio. Now guys, single speaker audio is used to create videos that involves one speaker. Now guys, on the left corner, as you can see, we have the text. Now it's on this particular box that we paste our scripts. Now I have a script, it's on my Google Doc. So when I go back to my Google Doc, this is the script I wrote for this particular video. Now, the hook, I'm just going to copy it and paste it into this box. The next thing we're going to do is to head over to voice. Now guys, we have different voice and their characters. For example, let's play this first voice.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Now guys, as you can see, this first voice is a female voice. Now let's play the second voice.
What do you want to explore?
As you can see guys, this particular voice is a male voice. And from our image, as you can see, the image we generated is a female character. That means we're going to use this particular first voice because it is a female voice. Now the next thing we're going to do is to click on Run, so we generate this written script into an audio format, and we're going to click on Run. Google AI Studio is done generating our text into a voiceover. Now let's hear it and see how it sounds.
I used to think I needed a camera, a microphone, and a production crew to build a channel that actually earns money.
So guys, from the first speech, you can see that this AI voice sounds cool and realistic. Now, if you want to learn how to use Google AI Studio to generate videos, to create more videos like multi-speaker audio videos, podcasts, single-speaker audio videos, you can check out the video in the description below. Now guys, let's head back to our tools. Now when we scroll down, we have DreamFace AI. Now what is DreamFace AI used for? It is used for lip syncing. Now DreamFace AI is the step 6, which is the last step for this particular video. Now for step 6, what we have to do is to minimize, then head back to my Google Chrome. Then we're going to click on Dreamface. Now what is Dreamface used for? Dreamface is used for creating lip syncing on an AI avatar. Now we're going to head over to these photos and videos. But before we do that, remember that I'm using the Pro version. Now why I subscribe for the Pro version is so that I can create longer videos using Dreamface. But hey guys, if you want to get Dreamface for a 30% discount, you can check out the link in the description below.
The next thing we are going to do is to click on Photos and Videos. Now, we are going to import the video of our AI avatar. So guys, this is the video. It is uploading on Dreamface AI. So guys, this is the particular video. As you can see, we have hand movement and face movement. The next thing we are going to do is to click on Audio. Now we are going to import the audio we generated from Google Studio. We're going to click on Upload from Device. Now guys, this is the audio. We're going to click on it to import the audio to Dreamface. As you can see, now it is uploading on our Dreamface AI website. The next thing we are going to do is to scroll down and click Generate. Now all we have to do now is to wait for the image to be generated into a video format using Dreamface AI. Dreamface AI is done generating our image into a video format using the lip sync tool. Now guys, let's play it and see how it sounds.
A camera, a microphone, and a production crew to build a channel that actually earns money. Then I discovered a free AI workflow that replaced every piece of equipment with a single photo of me. Today, I'm speaking to you from a digital twin that writes, speaks, and animates without me.
Want to take your content to the next level? Here's a secret most creators won't tell you. You don't need to spend hundreds on pro tools. Right now, you can get CapCut Pro, ChatGPT 5 Pro, Canva Pro, Adobe Creative Cloud, and premium editing presets, all at up to 60% off. Yep, the exact tools I use for editing, design, and AI creation for a fraction of the price. Just click the link in the description or pin comment to grab the deal while it lasts. Don't just watch AI magic, start creating it with the best tools in the game. With just a selfie and free web tools, you can build a talking AI twin that generates video whenever you need it. No camera, no microphone, no editing skill required. Just a clear photo using Leonardo AI, Runway AI for animation, Google Studio for AI voice, and a quick edit in CapCut or Canva. So there you go, your very own talking AI avatar using free tools and just a bit of creativity. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more AI tutorials like this one. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below. I reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the video on the screen right now.